Alright, this is the start of my friend's 2002, I believe, a Mustang. It's a Roush Mustang. It's his road race Mustang. He's doing a 5.0 Coyote swap in it. He's got a lot of performance stuff done to it. He's got a built 8.8 rear end. He's putting a brand new Coyote motor in there, high performance one. Today I'm going to be replacing this frame rail and strut tower. He crashed a couple years back, never got around to fixing it, and now he just blew his motor. He had a built 4.6 in it, and he blew that at the beginning of this year, and he decided to do a 5.0 Coyote swap in it. And now that he's got the motor out, he wants to take care of some of the work that he never got to around to. This frame rail was damaged in the hit, and now he's going to be adding some other stuff to block off the wheel wells, and I got to replace it all. So this is where I'm starting on it. This is how I got the car from him. He does his own wrenching, but he didn't want to do the frame rail replacement, strut tower replacement. So pretty straightforward. The rails, I had the rails at my shop. I had them measured out on the frame rack, and now I got it back here at my shop, and I'm gonna go ahead and replace them, cut it off and replace them. So here's the car itself. I got a new core support over here, and here's the rail and strut tower, and there's some fillers that I gotta put in the car too. Pretty sweet car. Excited to be able to work on it.